What if there is a lazy way to make more than $700 as soon as today? Now when I mean lazy, I mean getting pretty much 90% of the work done for you with just a few clicks of the button. And boom, you can start receiving your very first payment right now. $100, $200 or even up to $700. And after researching more than 300 plus different methods and strategies to make money online, only a very few of them actually passed the test and proven to make real money. And this is one of them. Warning, please do not abuse this method in an unethical way. Only watch this video if you promise to use the money that you make in a good way that will benefit the society. Even though this is a completely free method that works in every country in the world, not everyone can make money with it. Why? Because 97% of the people who are watching this video will skip some part of this video without fully understanding the entire concept and miss out on some very small details and some very important points. So don't be the 97% of the people who don't make any money. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Right on this video, I'll show you one of the laziest way to make money. And I'm not talking about small money here. I'm talking about up to $700 or even thousands of dollars. Now right here, you can go on to latium.org. Now once you come over to the homepage of this website, I want you to go in and click on this link on top, browse. And I want you to select on this category, which is browse projects. And from there, that's going to bring you straight on to this page where you can find different featured projects. You can see here when you scroll down below, $2,500 up to $5,000, $1,000, $1,500, and there are literally unlimited projects that you can select right on this website, and you could be making a lot of money. And I'll show you a very lazy way to do it, and you don't have to put in any of the hard work. And as you can see here, people from different countries in the world, they're getting this opportunity to make really good money. And in fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from, because I can create more videos for you in my future videos. And as you can see here on the left section, they are basically categorizing all the job into different categories. For example, usability testing, registration, translation, app downloads, video and animation, and so on and so forth. Now in this video, I'll save you a lot of time and straight away show you the bonus tip, and I'll give you away what is best and what is working right now, and you could be making a lot of money. Now for those of you guys who are watching, I want to show you a bonus tip, and I want you to focus on this category, which is graphics and design. And all you gotta do, just click on this link right here, and that's going to bring you to this page and show you especially all the projects related to graphics and design. Now don't worry, you don't need any graphic and design skill, you don't need any technical skill, you don't need any experience. In fact, I promise you, this is one of the laziest way to make money, and you can do this as a complete beginner. Now you can see here, for example, this project, $1,500 up to $1,750. How could that money change your life? You can use it to buy whatever things that you want. You can buy a house, you can buy a car, you can have all the financial freedom and pay off any of your debt. Just look at all of these projects, thousands of dollars, even hundreds of dollars you can see here, and there are unlimited jobs and tasks available for everyone. And I can just keep on scrolling down. You can see here, there are just unlimited projects available. But the next thing you might be having in your mind is that, hey Branson, how can I do it? But the next question you probably have is that, how can I actually do that? How can I actually start making money just like this? $500. You can see here $100 up to $500 in US dollars. Now before I show you the magic and all the secret, I do want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and make sure to leave a like to this video. And with that being said, we're gonna dive straight into one of the example. Now let's just say, for example, project just like this is posted by Trusted Training. You can see here the project, they want you to design a new and original logo. Now all you gotta do, just click on this project right here, and that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here the reward, $450 up to $550, and they're gonna pay you in US dollars. Now as you can see here for the instruction, we want to create an entirely new original logo for our personal training company, and right there, that's the name of their company, which is Trusted Training. Now once again, don't worry, you don't have to create any of the logo ourselves. You can go on to freelogodesign.org. Now once you come over to the homepage, you can see here basically this website, they offer you free services and free software to create logos for you in literally just a few seconds. And as you can see here, these are just some of the professional logos for different companies, and these are all kind of different templates in different designs, and I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. I'll give you a lot of example and show you a few bonus tips. And also at the end of this video, I'll show you another special website to literally multiply your earnings so that you can earn more money by simply clicking on a few buttons. And once again, I promise you, this is gonna be one of the laziest way to make money without any of the hard work. You can literally create the entire professional logo in just just a few seconds. So right now, let me show you exactly how to do this. Now you'll need two information to create a free logo on this website. Number one, you'll need a company name, and number two, you have to select one of these category as you can see here. Now let's just say if we want to work on this project, now we can find the company name right here. You can see Trusted Training. So right now, all we gotta do is just go on and enter the company name, Trusted Training. And the reason why we're gonna put in the name of the company, because that's gonna appear on the logo. As you can see here, they're gonna give us a lot of different templates, and the name of the company will appear right on the logo. And moving on, you'll learn about what's the category of their company. You can see here, we want to evoke a very clear idea of health, fitness, and activity. Basically, they are a health and fitness company. Now, once we enter the name of the company, we have to move on to select one of these category. You can just click on this down arrow, you can choose on one of these category. Now, basically, there are an education company who show people how to improve their health. So from there, when you scroll down below, you want to look for education. For example, here, just click on this education. And from there, all you gotta do, just click on this button to get started now. And they're gonna start loading up, as you can see here, and show you different kind of logos. And guess what? With just one click of a button, you can see here, they literally help you to create pages and pages of different logos design that you can use for absolutely free. Now, as you can see here, when I scroll down below, you can choose for any one of these designs, and they're super professional. Now, let's just say once you finish on page number 1, you can just click on there to go on to page number 2. And they'll show you even more different logo designs, as you can see here. And the name of the company will show up right there on the logo design. Now, if you're not satisfied with any of these logo, or for example, when you send to your client on Latium.org, if they are not satisfied, you can just go on and select any one of these new logo and show them once again. Now, from just one single category, as you can see here, and there are 4 pages of different logo design. Now, if you're not satisfied, you can just go and click on other different categories, and they'll show you other new logo design. As you can see here, there are just unlimited options and unlimited creative logo design that you can choose from with just one click of a button. And you don't need any technical skill, you don't need any graphic design skill, you don't have to create any of the logo yourself. And as I promise you, this is one of the laziest way to make money right now without any experience. So let's just say if you want to select on this logo, all you gotta do is just click on this right here and click on the add button. And from there, that's gonna show up right here on your canvas. Now you can do any of the customization or any editing that you want. Say for example, this logo, right? This graphic, you can just drag it and drop to whatever place that you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can do any adjustment that you want. For example, the name of the company, you can even add some text, you can change the color, you can change the font type, the font size, you can drag and drop to any place that you want. And of course, they're so professional, you don't have to do any of the adjustment. You can just get all the done for you logos with just one click of a button. And you can actually preview this logo by just clicking on this button. And once again, this works on your mobile phone, this is working on your computer. You can do it on any devices that you have. Now, once you're satisfied with the logo design, all you gotta do is just click on the save button to save it on your device. So this is just one of the example to create logo for this one company. And guess what? When you go back to Latium and browse on different projects, you have literally hundreds of projects. They're looking to hire people like you and I to design different logos, and they're paying you top dollars, $500, $1,000 again and again right here on this website, and they pay you on time, on schedule. And all you gotta do is just click on this button on top to sign up for free, and that's going to bring you to this page and put in your email address, and you can sign up for a free account and start making money on Latium. And as a bonus, for some of you guys who are still watching all the way until the end, I'll show you another bonus tip. Now, other than Latium.org, you can also go on to Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and this is basically another freelancer website where you can find different similar projects as well. So all you gotta do is just type in this keyword logo design, and all you gotta do is just click on the search button. And from there, you can find different projects and different other logo design work, as you can see here. And these are just some of the examples of other freelancers from different countries in the world. They're making really good money on Fiverr by simply helping other people to create a design, a logo. You can see here, I'll create a professional logo design, $25. Right here, I'll design 2 modern minimalist logo design, $20. And you can see the review right here, over 1,000, this one right here over 500. And there are literally hundreds and thousands of people. They're looking for somebody to help them to create a logo design. And guess what? You could be the one to do this. And you can just simply go onto this website, Free Logo Design, to create all the logos professionally with just one click of a button. And this is absolutely free. And for some of you guys, if you want a much quicker way and a much easier way to make money with just downloading one simple app, all you gotta do is just click on the link in the video description, click on that and go on to this page, and I'll show you another special video where you can earn over $1,400 with this one new app. And once you come over to this page, all you gotta do is just click on this play button to watch this video, and I'll show you all the steps and all the example, including all the payment proof. Now, once you finish watching the video, all you gotta do is just click on this link to get started right now. And by far, this is one of the easiest way to make money right now at the moment. All you gotta do, click on the link in the video description below and check out this special video, and I'll see you on the inside. And once again, if you want a quicker result, you want a done for you solution that will do all the hard work for you to help you to promote any offers that you want and earning autopilot, and I'll see you on the next video.